Okay, so we're at part 2 of the video. Let's continue finishing the crane. So basically I just want to show you where we are at. We're very close to finishing. If you look at it from compared to the crane, this is actually the wings here. These are the wings, and the triangle in the middle is the body. So we're very close to finishing, and the only step is to bring these two pieces up to create the head and the tail. So you should have something like this, and we just turn it sideways where it's flat and open it up, and then fold this piece, just bring the tip to the top. So just fold, like you won't be able to go all the way, but just fold like as much as you can, and we can close it again, like flatten it like this. And when you flatten it and turn it back to the side, it looks something like this. And I'm just gonna fix it a bit nicer. So if you want the neck or the tail to go more outwards, it's too vertical. If it's too vertical, you just kind of pull on it and then press on the bottom here to adjust the crease, so you fix the angle at this level, at this angle. And you can just do the same thing for the other side. Just turn the whole thing this way so it's flat. What you're looking at is flat, and open this up, and then fold this to the top, fold the tip to the top, and just press on the bottom a bit, and then just close it so it's flat again, and then turn it to the side. So now it's between the wings. So if it's too vertical, you just want to pull on it so it's coming out of the body more. And then once you have the angle that you want, you just press on at the bottom here to fix the angle. So now either one would be, just choose one side to be the head, and what you do is just open up the tip and fold down like a small triangle, this much for the head. And right now you see there's a middle line there. You just want to use your fingernail to push it down a bit to create the head, and then press on it from the side to flatten it out. So you can see the beak is created by just folding down a small piece of the tip. And this is how you do the crane, and basically you're done, and all you have to do is just open up the wings, and this is what you have. So so this is a perfect crane. It's just that there's also a slightly different version which looks like this, and I just want to show you the difference. So this one we did at the body is more flat and the wings are bigger. This one, the neck and tail is much thinner, and the body it puffs up, like it's not flat. So how do you do this? I just want to take really like 1 minute to show you. So it's basically all the steps are exactly the same, except there's one extra step. So when you get to this point, before you start folding this up to create the neck and the tail, all you do is fold this bottom edge, fold it to the center line. This is exactly the same as the guiding line we did, but the only difference is you don't open it up again, you just keep it like this. So you do it for all 4 sides. So this side left and right, and then you flip it over, turn it to the other side and repeat. So this entire edge you just fold it to the vertical center line. So this makes the paper for the neck and head a bit thicker, but also thinner. So that's the difference. So when it's thicker, it might be slightly harder when you fold it upwards, but it just has a different look to it. So next step is the same. You just turn it sideways to look at it from this side where it's flat, and open it up, and you just fold this piece of paper upwards. So bring the bottom tip to the top, and then just close it again. Close it, and when you close it, flatten it and turn it to the side, you can see that the angle is at. You can kind of adjust it if you want. So the other side is the same. You turn it to the other flat side, open it up, and just bring this on top, fold it upwards, and then close it. So this is what I'm talking about. The paper is a bit thick, so when you close it, it might not be as easy, but you just kind of press on it a bit harder. Yeah. So that's the difficulty of this method, but it depends which one you prefer. So now the same thing, you just choose one side to be the head, and you fold down a small tip, like a small triangle, fold it down, and use your fingernails to press down in the middle line to create the beak, and just press on the head again to flatten it out like that. And last step is to just open up the wings. So when you pull on this one, you can see the body is like kind of expanding compared to the other one where it was still flat. So this is the second version of the crane. It just has one extra step, but both are fine, and I hope you enjoy the video. And once you're done your cranes, please take a picture and email it to me so I can include your cranes to the thank you video for our frontline workers during this pandemic. And you can look at the updates I have regarding this project either in this YouTube channel, Maylily Design, or I have a Facebook page for this project, 1000 Cranes Art Project. So I'll be updating some posts there as well. So thank you for your time. I hope we will reach our goal of 1000 cranes in the next couple months so I can finish the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.